In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share with family on Amazon Prime Video. If you're looking to make the most out of your Amazon Prime Video subscription by sharing it with your family, you're in the right place. Let's take a look at how to set everything up so that everyone at home can enjoy the vast library of movies and TV shows that Prime Video has to offer. First, you'll want to head over to Amazon's website, so open your browser and go to Amazon.com. This is where it all begins. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features necessary for sharing your Prime Video benefits. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway to managing all aspects of your Amazon account, including your Prime benefits. Next, scroll down until you find the option for your Amazon family. Clicking here will take you to the section where you can manage your family settings. This feature allows you to share your Prime benefits, including Prime Video, with another adult and up to 4 children. This is a great way to ensure everyone in your family can explore the entertainment Amazon Prime Video has in store for you. Continuing on, you'll want to click on the new button you see on the screen. This is where you'll start adding family members to share your benefits with. By doing this, you're essentially creating profiles for each member of your household, allowing for personalized viewing experiences and recommendations. The next step involves selecting whether you want to add an adult or a child. Choose the Add Adult or Child option, depending on who you're inviting to join your Amazon household. It's an easy and straightforward process aimed at making the experience enjoyable for everyone involved. Once you've made your selection, you'll click on Create. This step is about setting up the profile for the individual you've chosen to add. Be prepared to fill in some basic information to personalize this account. You'll be asked to type in the profile name. This is crucial because it ensures each family member has their unique profile, tailored to their viewing preferences and history. After you've entered the profile name, click Create again. This finalizes the creation of the profile, and just like that, you've added a family member to your Amazon household. Now, they can enjoy Amazon Prime Video just like you do, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share your Amazon Prime Video benefits with your family. Enjoy exploring and watching a wide array of content with your loved ones.